Today I'm going to be making guacamole. Okay, now we're going to try the guacamole. After all this talk about it, let's see if it passes the taste test. So put a little bit on there, or a lot on there, and let's see what it tastes like. It's quite nice. It's real creamy, and as I said before, these are very good limes. Okay, let's try one of these. Chip a little guacamole. We'll add a little cheese on it. Looks good to me. And a tomato. You know, the appearance makes a world of difference in food, and just this little added color may trigger your brain to think it tastes better than what it really is. Let's try this. That is good. And the cheese really adds to it. It's a total contrast in taste, but it blends well. Oh, it's very good. On behalf of Expert Village, thanks for watching.